The strongest people rise from silence, not from applause, not from attention, not from validation. They rise from the moments when nobody is watching, nobody is cheering, nobody is checking in. They rise from the darkness life throws at them, from the battles they fight alone, from the storms they survive quietly. Silence is where strength is built. Silence is where identity is tested. Silence is where warriors are made. Most people run from silence because silence forces you to face yourself. It forces you to confront your fears, your doubts, your regrets, your insecurities. It forces you to see the version of yourself you've avoided for years. But the strongest people understand something powerful. Silence is not emptiness. Silence is awakening. It's the place where you hear the voice you've been ignoring, the voice that says you are meant for more, the voice that knows you were made for battles bigger than your excuses, the voice that reminds you of who you truly are. When life becomes silent, it's not a punishment, it's preparation. The world goes quiet right before your next evolution. People fall away right before your next chapter. Distractions disappear right before your breakthrough. Silence is not the absence of growth, it's the evidence of it. You grow the most when nobody sees it. You grow the most when you are uncomfortable. You grow the most when you have no choice but to rely on the strength inside you. The strongest people know that their power comes from what they build in private. They don't brag about their improvement. They don't announce their plans. They don't seek approval. They don't wait for motivation. They wake up, they put in the work, and they trust the process. They know that the world will see the results when the time is right. They know that silent growth becomes undeniable success. You become dangerous when you learn to move in silence, when you stop telling people your plans, when you stop explaining your decisions, when you stop looking for reassurance, when you stop needing people to believe in you. Strength doesn't come from being loud. Strength comes from being disciplined when nobody knows what you're doing. Strength comes from being focused when everyone else is distracted. Strength comes from being consistent long after the excitement is gone.
Silence teaches you discipline. It teaches you self-control. It teaches you patience. It teaches you emotional intelligence. It teaches you how to sit with discomfort without running from it. It teaches you how to stay calm in chaos. It teaches you how to trust yourself. When you become comfortable with silence, you become unstoppable. Because silence is the one environment that forces you to grow internally instead of depending on external noise. People misunderstand your silence. They think you are weak. They think you are lost. They think you are quitting. But they don't understand the truth. Your silence is not surrender. It's strategy. It's focus. It's rebuilding. It's evolution. You are not hiding. You are upgrading. You are not lost. You are preparing. You are not done. You are becoming someone they won't recognize anymore. There will be seasons where you feel alone. Seasons where the world feels distant. Seasons where you question everything. But in those seasons, something powerful is happening. Your mind is strengthening. Your spirit is sharpening. Your confidence is returning. Your identity is reforming. You are learning how to stand on your own. You are learning how to depend on your inner power instead of other people. You are learning how to walk forward even when the path is unclear. The strongest people rise from silence because silence teaches you how to endure, how to persist, how to push forward without applause, how to believe in yourself when nobody else does. The strongest people don't need the world to see their journey. They just need the world to feel their comeback. Your silence is creating someone powerful, someone disciplined, someone focused, someone unbreakable, someone who has rebuilt themselves from the inside out. And when you return, you won't return the same. You will return wiser. You will return sharper. You will return stronger. You will return with clarity, purpose, and unshakable confidence. The people who doubted you will see the difference. The people who ignored you will feel the shift. The people who underestimated you will regret it. Because the version of you that rises from silence is not someone to play with. This version of you is built from pain, patience, and persistence. This version is built from nights you stayed disciplined, days you kept going, moments you wanted to quit but didn't. This version of you is built from resilience. Silence creates warriors. Silence creates leaders. Silence creates legends. And right now, silence is creating you. Do not run from it. Do not fear it. Embrace it. Because everything you think you've lost is making room for everything you're about to gain. Your strength is awakening. Your purpose is returning. Your identity is rising. You are becoming someone extraordinary. The strongest people rise from silence. And now, it's your turn.